Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out from your Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo wallet or your Zengo application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, let's go ahead and drool over the Zengo user interface. And man, let's applaud them for this beautiful interactive user interface that's easy. Like, it makes it easier for us to navigate all of the features in Zengo. Now, from this homepage, you're going to find a couple features. You're also going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. Now, because we want to hop into today's task, which is how to log out from Zengo wallet, let's just delve into it. Zengo will not like to see you go. And I'm saying Zengo will not like to see you go because Zengo does not give you the option to actually log out as in most applications. So you cannot log out of Zengo. You cannot log out. You cannot log out. You cannot log out of Zengo. But there's something that you can do, which is actually to delete your account, and that's pretty extreme. But I'm going to show you the process, right? So from this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find a couple features. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. You're going to find home, history. You're going to find the middle icon. You're going to find settings, and you're going to find security. So go ahead and click on the settings icon, and this is going to take you right here into the settings window. So from this settings window, you're going to scroll all the way down, scroll up, and it takes you down. Scroll upwards and it's going to take you down. So right here you're going to have help center, you have fees and limits, you have radars, you have use referral code, you have about, and of course you have delete account. So like I said, the deleting account option can be really extreme, but that's the only provision that you have in Zengo to actually exit your Zengo account. So go ahead and click on delete account, and once you click on delete account, just follow through the step-by-step processes and you see that your account should be deleted. You will also be asked to verify your accounts because Zengo is security tight. All right, so once you click on that delete account, you see that your account will be deleted, and this, you will no more have access to your account on Zengo. But remember that all your assets are have actually been withdrawn if you want to delete account, because if you delete your account, you will not be able, and you try to recover your account, all right, you may not be able to get your assets. All right, so ensure that your assets are safe or they have been safely withdrawn, so that if you delete your account and you try to get your account again or try to recover your account using the recovery method, you'll be able to, get your account back and you'll be able to be at peace with Zengo. So that's pretty much the process. You cannot log out of Zengo, or you can delete your account, or you can just exit by, using the minimize button, and that's just pretty much it. So this is what you can do. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.